Well, good morning everyone. I had different plans for starting out this vlog, but Cash decided to dump Cash. Look at me, I'm not even stopping this. That looks terrible. We have to go give him a bath, but what did you do with your stuff? I walked away to go to the bathroom and he dumped his, his baby bottle pop powder all over his brother. This is one of those videos that you save for the future. Not blood, he just licked the powder off of his head, but now he has to go take a bath. And thankfully, Crew just thinks it's funny, but Cashy, don't do that again, okay? That's not nice. We don't dump our candy all over people, especially our brothers. Poor Crew. Poor Crew. Let's go take a bath. Oh my gosh. This is not what I had planned for the day. Let's take a bath. Oh well, you needed a bath anyways, didn't you? Oh man. I cannot make this stuff up. Are you gonna get in the bathtub too? Might as well. Drew's excited to take a bath, huh? He won't smell like fruit punch anymore. What's your name?
Cooper.
Your name's not Cooper. He always says his name is Cooper when I ask him. Your name is Keshi.
My nose.
Right, so we're done with that morning fiasco. I had just set Crew in that chair like 2 minutes prior, and he was dumping the baby bottle pop powder all over his brother. That wasn't very nice, was it? So I went in, gave him a bath, and it was really no big deal. It was really actually funny. So I snapped a picture so that I can show them that when they're older. And that's what happens when you're baby number 4 or 5. You just go with the flow. Jeff is actually out of town right now. He left last night to go to Dallas. He will be back tonight or this evening. So it's just like a quick little drive. Dallas is about 4.5 to 5 hours away from us. So he drove there last night. Cash is watching a movie right now, so that's why he's blankly staring. So yeah, I have quite a, yes. Can I have a kiss? You are the sweetest. I love getting kisses from my boys. Just one day they're not gonna wanna kiss me. Anyways, I've got quite a bit of stuff to do on my to-do list today. So actually we're gonna be eating Home Chef tonight for dinner because ain't nobody got time to make dinner right now. Ain't nobody got time to go to the store and pick out. I go to the store, but the last thing I want to do is search the aisles for what I'm making for dinner, honestly. I've been going to the store so much because we're having Christmas this weekend with my mom and my brothers and like that side of the family, and so I'm trying to make sure that I have everybody's gifts ready, and then I'm trying to make sure that I have all the kids' gifts ready and stocking stuffers, and I'm still missing stuff. So that's what I've been going to the store for, and thankfully I've got Home Chef. I've got 2 Home Chef meals that I'm super pumped about. One is meatloaf for Jeff, so I'm excited to make this for him, and then the other one is pork, like pulled pork burgers that look absolutely delicious. But I need to pull that stuff out of the freezer so that I can make those tonight so that dinner's ready when he gets home. Maybe I'll surprise him with a meatloaf. He would love that. I wanted to make some, when I was growing up, my mom called it trash, and it's like trail mix and stuff with white chocolate all over it. So I got some stuff to make that. If you guys have never made that before, I thought we could do that together. Oh, I gotta send off Poshmark packages from my last video of when you guys bought Poshmark stuff from me. I need to send that stuff off. Right now I think maybe I'll start making the trash, and yeah. Well, Crew is napping. I'm gonna probably have to wake him up to take him to go pick up Cooper from school. So to make the trash, essentially, I'm sure that most of you have made this before. Of course, you're gonna want those. It's really just Chex Mix. You can use corn or rice. I don't really know the different, like what they taste like, the difference. But I just grabbed corn Chex. You could use rice Chex or whatever. And then pretzels, you could do the sticks, you could do regular pretzels, you could do the little square pretzels. I like stick pretzels personally. You want some of these? Okay, can you say please? Okay, I'll give you a couple, all right? And then I've got, so you can use like Christmas candies here. I've got the caramel M&Ms and the peanut M&Ms. And then I'm also gonna use some popcorn. And then you drizzle it all with this. And then you just put it on wax paper. So, okay, hold on. So first I'm gonna start melting these on the stove. You'll probably put them in the microwave. But I think if you do them on the stovetop, they seem to, I don't know, work a little bit better. So I'm gonna melt this, and then I'm going to put all of this together on a pan on top of the wax paper. You pretty much just like mix it up, and then you pour this on top of it. And that's like, seriously, that's it. And it's so good. Don't dump those on the ground. Mommy's not gonna give you any more if you dump them. Hopefully I have a bowl that fits on here. Okay. Cash 8. Pick them up. Okay, that looks like a lot. You could also put this in like little baggies. I'm gonna have to see if I have some. I used to have some. And leave them out for like the UPS and, you know, mail guys and stuff. That would be, I might do that if I have some bags. I might actually have to do 2 pages. Popcorn I'm gonna use. Might just do 1 bag. I'm just waiting for the water to boil right now. But caramel M&Ms are the best M&Ms. Now I just dropped one down my shirt. Well, I'm still gonna eat it. This is my, oh shoot. No, it's gonna be so loud. My makeshift chocolate melter. Hopefully this goes well. Actually melted really well. No, don't pull this off of the counter, please. What is it? I'll let you see it when I'm done, okay? Just a minute. I gotta pour the chocolate on it. Hold on. Chocolate. Yummy, yummy chocolate. Yummy, yummy chocolate. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It smells so good. This stuff is so good and so easy. This is probably like the easiest holiday like snack or treat that you'll make. So I definitely recommend this. I mean, it's really hard to mess this up. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and let the chocolate like harden. I think you can put it in the fridge. I might just let it sit out at room temperature. It's still gonna harden anyways. I don't even know if I have room in my fridge for this, but hope you guys enjoyed cooking with Brittany. I have still been loving my diffuser. And if you guys want to try out Young Living, or if you want to order anything, you can join my team. Sorry, I have a habit of just like talking and then showing you guys what I'm doing and not showing my face, and it's probably really weird. So I just want to say, if you want to join Young Living or order oils or whatever, you can join my team. I'm going to leave my information below. You guys can also email me. I will email you back and let you know, like if you have any questions or whatever, I can definitely help you out. I'm still new to it all, but I use my diffuser like 3 times a day. It's pretty much always going. I use oils in our humidifiers, so every night I put like lavender or peppermint, thieves sometimes, and I clean with thieves. I put thieves drops into my steam cleaner and I clean the floors that way. I just did that yesterday and it makes the whole house smell so good. So I am kind of oil obsessed right now. I just love the smell, and I think that the benefits are amazing. And y'all are gonna think that I am such a nerd, but I actually bought my own Petri dishes to test the thieves oil, because I have seen people, I saw a picture of people who swabbed different surfaces and then used different cleaners, and they used the thieves from Young Living, and then like bleach and Clorox and all that, and thieves was like by far killed the most germs, and the other ones still had stuff left. So I don't believe the picture. I mean, I believe it, but I don't, because I didn't do it. So I plan on doing like a whole separate video on that and showing you guys the results, because I want to know, like, does it really work? Does it really clean? But I'm gonna pour some distilled water in here. And then my go-to lately has been the Christmas Spirit and peppermint together. I love the way that peppermint smells when I diffuse it. It makes the house smell clean. Am I almost out of this? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't really know how many exactly I'm supposed to put in the diffuser, so I just do whatever I want. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, 4. And then just put the lid back on. There we go. Now it's coming out. Okay, we gotta go get Carter from school. Let's get your socks and shoes on. Okay. What? Can you count them? How many things do you have in your hand? 1. What's that? 2. 1, 2. Push your foot. Help me out. All right. Okay, ready? Let's go get Carter. I mean, Cooper and then Carter. Alright, so I'm home from picking up the boys from school. We picked up some Chick-fil-A on the way home, just for like a late lunch, because the day seriously has gotten away from me so fast since it's just me and Jeff's night. What is it? What is that? Sauce?
Yeah. It's going in my shoe.
It's going into your shoe?
Yeah.
Alright, so what I was going to say before I had to clean up Polynesian sauce from all over the floor and Cooper's leg and shoe, is that my boys brought me some Christmas gifts, you know, like whenever they make stuff at school. And this is Cooper's little picture right here. Look at him. Look how cute that is. And then Carter made me a super cool one. What? Carter made me this ornament. It is so pretty. It's all sparkly, and it's a gingerbread tree, so it smells like gingerbread, and I love it. I think it's my favorite ornament I've ever had. My kids are all screaming at each other, but at least they're outside. I can hear them screaming, but they're outside, so it's not my problem. I'm totally joking. I'm joking. I'm a good mom, I promise. Because they're outside, I can actually talk, because when they come inside, they're just constantly yelling and screaming. And so I just wanted to show you guys these slippers I got for Jeff. Hopefully he's not gonna watch this vlog. I don't think, he doesn't watch my vlogs unless he's in it, so He sent me a link to these slippers, and I wanted to show you guys because they are on Amazon Prime, as long as they have like your husband or boyfriend size. They are Amazon Prime, so they would make a really good gift. What happened? So like I said earlier, for dinner tonight we are going to be using Home Chef, and I have been using Home Chef for over a year now, and we have yet to try the same meal twice. Everything has been so amazingly delicious, and this is how it comes packaged. It is sent to your front door with everything packaged together nice and neatly with the meat frozen on the bottom. So for tonight's meal, I decided to make the beef meatloaf marinara. This is one of Home Chef's oven ready meals, so there's only 3 easy steps. You pretty much just put everything together in the pan and slip it into the oven, and in 30 minutes or so it is ready to go. So all I'm doing is taking out the ingredients here, and these are perfect for nights when my kids are just chaotic like today has been. This is what my house usually looks like when I'm trying to make dinner in the evening, so Home Chef is really easy for me when I'm struggling to have time to make a meal. So I'm just going to pour everything into the pan per the directions and get the meatloaf ready, and then slip it into the oven. So if you are interested in trying out Home Chef, right now they are promoting a new and exciting pre-order option in which you can get $100 off your first 5 orders if you place your order between now and December 24th. So if you are interested in pre-ordering for the month of January and starting off the year of 2020 with some fresh, easy, and healthy meals, definitely check out Home Chef, and you guys can use my code Brittani100 for $100 off your first 5 boxes. And let me tell you, tonight's dinner was so good. I usually don't love meatloaf, but I love this one, and obviously so did Jeff. So I'm going to end the vlog here. It's like 11 o'clock at night, and I'm tired. Jeff is home. Say hello, honey.
Hello, wife.
No, not to me. So we are obviously both still awake. It's like 11. This is like typically, like, what time do we usually go to bed at night? Between like 11 and 12.
11 and 11:30.
Right? That's our bedtime. Yeah. We usually try to get in bed by 12. That seems pretty late. I mean, it is probably pretty late for a lot of people, but since we're both like, we both work from home, and we both, I want to say we're like, we're not entrepreneurs. Am I an entrepreneur?
You're an entrepreneur. You run your own business.
Since we both work from home, we kind of like, we don't really have set hours, you know? So that's kind of the good and bad thing about working from home, is that it's almost like work never stops. Yeah. But you can also have like a schedule that, you know, can be worked around, but it's also like there's no 5 o'clock hits and you're done. Anyways, I'll see you guys all in my next vlog. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.